Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making some slime.
Some shaving cream.
And I'm here with my cousin.
White glue. I'm here with my cousin too, and I have.
The things that we needing will be a bowl, something to mix with, some Elmer's glue,
and some Tide.
and I'm here with my other
Let's get started.
cousin.
Yeah, my other cousin. Okay, let's get
Need
started.
some Tide and some shaving cream.
Let's pour our glue in.
This is sticky. This doesn't look like YouTube. Mommy, I'm already.
Pouring my glue in.
I need a desk. Anna, do you have a book?
Pouring some glue.
Like a large book?
They're in grown up cousin, but I don't know. Pouring all my glue in. I'm gonna get my mixing spoon and start. Okay. Ah!
I'm gonna try to take out all the glue so I can have a lot. So next thing I'm
Next
gonna do
thing
is mix.
You're gonna put some white glue in and make it a little glossy. Oh, and you're gonna need some paint.
It's optional if you want paint. I'm gonna be adding a little bit water,
Need some white glue in. That's enough.
a little
Then
bit.
we're gonna mix that all up together.
Water.
Guess who brought spoons?
Oh, spoons! Oh, okay, we're
Good.
gonna use a spoon now.
Thank you.
I already made my slime, so.
We have a napkin in case. Okay,
Oh
just
my goodies, my slime is Gucci.
mix it with your
I'm
spoon.
gonna start mixing
And
this.
then I'm gonna put a little bit of some water. Not too much. You don't want
I'm gonna
too
add
much.
some of this clear glue, Elmer's. Just a little bit.
We bought a lot of glue today.
I did.
Oh, my cousin did. She bought a lot. You don't even know.
I got 15 bottles.
Dang! It wasn't that much.
Yes, it was. You want to count them?
Then I'm gonna add some of the shaving cream. I'm
Yeah,
using this
it's not
brand.
open. Okay. You want to make sure you mix it really good.
So if you don't mix it really good, what happens?
Nothing.
I like judging. Sorry. It won't happen again. 5 seconds later. Wow, that's
So I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing.
You guys are doing it wrong. You guys are supposed to add the detergent first. I know. I'm just joking.
I'm gonna mix
It's a
until
Disney
most of the shaving cream is gone.
Fully dissolved.
Just off of my god.
I'm put a little more clear glue.
My mom would kill me if she finds out what I bought.
What if I tell her?
And then I will kill you. I feel like I want to make butter slime, but then I want to keep this fluffy slime. I should touch this.